Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Entra ID authentication in a mobile app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Microsoft Entra ID authentication in your mobile app, start by ensuring you have a Microsoft Entra account. Log into the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select App Registrations from the left-hand menu. Click on the New Registration button to create a new app. Enter a name for your application in the name field. Choose the appropriate account type for your application. In the Redirect URI section, set the type to Public Client and enter a placeholder URI. Click Register to finalize the app registration. After registration, take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, configure the API permissions. Select API permissions from the Apps menu. Now, head to the Authentication tab. Under Redirect URIs, ensure your mobile app's URI is added. Enable the Allow Public Client Flows option. Save your changes to ensure they are applied. Next, gather the necessary libraries for Microsoft Entra integration in your mobile app. For iOS, use the MSAL, Microsoft Authentication Library, package. For Android, also incorporate the MSAL library into your project. In your codebase, initialize the MSAL library with your application ID and scopes. Implement the sign-in method to prompt users for authentication. Next, handle the authentication response to obtain the access token. Use the access token to make API calls on behalf of the authenticated user. Test the authentication implementation thoroughly to ensure smooth functionality. Finally, troubleshoot any issues by consulting the Microsoft documentation and community forums. With these steps completed, your mobile app should be successfully integrated with Microsoft Entra ID authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.